So I did want to come and let you know a little bit about the financing, the rationale behind doing it at this time.
Well, hello there, my friends. Chris Marcus here with you for Arcadia Economics. And today, excited to be joined by Jorge Ramiro Monroy of Reyna Silver, who's just completed a financing to fund their drilling programs on their 3 properties in Mexico, where they're looking for district scale assets. So Jorge, great to have you on in here, and perhaps you could fill us in on how the deal went down.
Absolutely, Chris. Thank you very much for inviting me to talk in your show about this financing. I know a lot of your listeners follow our company, so I did want to come and let you know a little bit about the financing, the rationale behind doing it at this time, and tell a little bit about how the financing took place. So about a month ago, we had some significant interest from institutions that recognize this is a good opportunity to invest in the silver sector. So we thought it was also an interesting opportunity on our side because, as you know, we're going to be drilling on all 3 of our projects, and we have a very aggressive drill campaign, and we didn't want to be in a situation where, we would have to slow down on our business plans if, especially at the time, the market was looking a little bit unstable. So we took the decision to open a financing originally for $3 million. We had an incredible demand for the placement, and one of the most positive things about the placement was we've welcomed a number of new institutions to the company. I think that's, if you look at the share registry in Reyna Silver for a company of our size, we have an unusually high institutional investor participation, and I think this speaks to a few things. Number one, people believe in Peter's track record, and I think all of us who are investors in the company, we realize that our money is in the best of hands in terms of the vision and the technical work, not just Peter but also the team. I think in the kind of market that we're now, where so many silver companies emerged out of these race in silver prices, one thing that's very valuable is we're working with a team that has been working together for, in some cases, almost 30 years. Rene Ramirez is our project manager at Guigui, and he actually is a person who did the first set of drill design and drill holes at Juanicipio, which is Mag Silver's flagship project. And Manuel Ramirez, who's the manager for Batopilas, similarly worked for Mag Silver for the Cinco de Mayo discovery, which is a very significant CRD discovery. So we just recognize the opportunity of having the support from institutional investors. Once they come into registry, they're very likely to support you in future financings, and it's the kind of investors who are very patient and they're not looking to do a quick trade or a sort of speculate on the stock. They're really there to see the vision through. So we're very excited with this placement. We now have 10 million Canadian in the bank, and just maybe a little bit over that. And this really allows us to explore quite aggressively. We're going to do 8,000 meters at Guigui, complete the 10,000 meters that we are doing at Batopilas. We're about 70% of the way there. And then for the first time, we're going to drill Medicine Springs early this fall. So, I think what we put together in terms of an exploration package is really unique. Not too many companies have a portfolio like this. And, in this market, having 3 district scale projects, it's not something easy. I think each of our projects would be strong enough to be its own silver company, and yet we have it all in, in this portfolio. We wish we could have raised the money at a much higher price. That's something that we consider, very, very significantly. And at the end of the day, we just recognize the money was available to us from high quality investors, and we just thought, at the end of the day, being able to deploy dollars in the ground is going to be much more value accretive for our shareholders, especially in the kind of projects that we're exploring, where we made very significant discoveries at Guigui and Batopilas. So the money that we have now to be able to drill those targets, every meter could be life transforming for the company and for those assets as well. So wanted to give that update to shareholders. Always very happy to listen to anybody's comments. So feel free to reach out to me at info@reynasilver.com. It reaches to my email directly. And wanted to share that update. What you have to look for over the next 6 months is drilling at all 3 of our projects. And I think we have a hell of a shot of continue to add to the discoveries that we made, and to get recognition for the projects as a true district scale project. Really, what we're looking for is something that could eventually be of interest to one of the mid-tiers or the majors. As I said in one of my interviews with you before, the reality is that everybody's looking for, let's say, 100 million ounce high-grade silver project, and the reality is that there are none. So what Peter said to me when we started Reyna Silver is, if you want to get a project like that, you have to go and find it, and that's what we're doing with our 3 projects.
Well, and now it's nice that you are funded and ready to go and continue that drilling. And for folks who have questions, they can find out more at reynasilver.com. And Jorge, congratulations, and we'll look forward to checking in again soon with you.
Thank you very much, Chris.